You get a wood-burning fire pit for that one-of-a-kind allure and magic of a real wood fire. But there's hardly anything less captivating in your backyard than a rusted-out eyesore. On today's Tech Tuesday, we're showing you how to safeguard your wood-burning fire pit investment. Something we all love about wood-burning fire pits is how incredibly low maintenance they are. But while outdoor fire pits don't require as much care as indoor fireplaces, they still do need some TLC from time to time. One of the most surefire ways to keep a pit at its best is with a bit of prevention. Keep a cover on it when it's not in use so wind and rain don't wear down the enclosure as quickly. Without a cover, your fire pit can rust prematurely. When that happens, you'll be stuck with a sanding job sooner rather than later. Even though there's no burner system to check, cleaning out the enclosure every so often is also great for a pit's longevity. Periodically, dump out ashes after they've cooled and replace the cover on your pit. Since you never know what kind of debris may end up in your pit after a storm, clearing out excess junk before you start burning can help prevent all sorts of foul smells and gross fumes from ruining your backyard fun time. For help adding charm to your outdoor living space, our customer service team is just a phone call or email away. Thanks for watching.